Isang mapagpalang araw po sa ating lahat. Ako po si Nicole Castillo and welcome po sa aking daily devotion. So, ang topic po natin ngayon is perfection. So, kapag sinabi pong perfection, it is the doctrine that God fully possesses every excellent quality to the highest degree and lacks nothing that is desirable or good. He is perfectly holy, perfectly wise, perfectly loving, and perfectly just without flaw, without deficiency, without change. God's perfection is not just the sum of His attributes. It is the harmony of all His attributes working together without contradictions. His plans are perfect, His timing is perfect. His character is perfect, and in Christ, He is making His people perfect, not by their merit, but by His sanctifying grace. So, ayon po sa Deuteronomy 32:4, He is the rock, His work are perfect, and all His ways are just. A faithful God who does no wrong, upright and just is He. So, ayon po sa ating katuruan, God is perfectly good and altogether lovely. So, ang Diyos ay ganap na mabuti at lubos na kaibig-ibig. So, ibig sabihin walang bahid ng kasamaan ang Diyos. Siya ay mabuti sa lahat ng paraan at karapat dapat mahalin at sambahin. Next po is, God is perfectly in wisdom and power. So, ang Diyos ay perfecto sa karunungan at wisdom or power. So, walang mali o kulang sa plano at gawa ng Diyos. Lahat ng kanyang ginawa ay may layunin at kaya niyang gawin ang lahat ng kanyang nais. So, next po is, God is forming Christ in us toward perfections. So, sinasabi po dito na idubog ng Diyos si Kristo sa ating buhay tungo sa pagiging ganap. So, binago tayo ng Diyos araw-araw para mas maging katulad tayo ni Jesus. Mas banal, mas mapagmahal, at mas matuwid. So, sa applications naman, worship God and be like God. So, sambahin ang Diyos at hangarin na maging tulad niya. Dahil siya ay mabuti at kaibig-ibig, karapat dapat siyang sambahin at dahil nilikha niya tayo sa kanyang wangis, dapat natin sikaping maging kaya niya sa kabutihan, kabanalan at pagmamahal. So, next is, imitate Jesus as God sanctifies us. So, tularan si Jesus habang binabago tayo ng Diyos, habang nililinis at pinapabanal tayo ng Diyos. Dapat nating sundan ang halimbawa ni Jesus sa kanyang kababaang loob, pagsunod at pag-ibig sa kapwa. And trust God's wisdom and power. So, magtiwala sa karunungan at kapangyarihan ng Diyos. Kahit may mga bagay tayong hindi naunawaan, alam natin na ang Diyos ay matalino at nakapangyarihan, kaya pwede tayong magtiwala sa plano niya. Laging tama at laging sapat. And ayun lang po, maraming salamat po.